Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get your memories back on Snapchat if you've actually accidentally deleted it or maybe you lost it for some reason. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to get your memories back on Snapchat. So the problem here is that let's say I open my Snapchat app and then I tap on this photos icon, and if for whatever reason you actually lost your memories on Snapchat, I'm going to walk you through some of the steps which will actually hopefully let you get back your memories. So the first thing you want to make sure is that if I go to my profile section from the top left hand side and I tap on my three dots on the stories tab right over here, then you want to make sure you have actually done auto save to memories. So what this basically does is that it is going to save your stories to your memories. Now let's say that you've actually deleted all of your memories and you want access to all of them. There is a simple way on how you can get that, and in order to do that, what you have to do is from the top right hand side of the screen, you can see this gear icon. So you have to tap on this gear icon. As you tap on this gear icon, you want to actually scroll down a little bit all the way to the bottom of the screen actually, and then you want to tap on my data. So you can see there right above the logout button, you can see my data. So you want to tap on my data, as I'm going to do it right here now. Over here, what you have to do is you need to actually log into your Snapchat account. In my case, I already did login, so you're being able to see this interface. It is going to ask you your username and your password. Go ahead and simply actually log into your account. And under the my data, like right here, you can see data available in app. And over here you'll be able to see a button which says memories right under block Snapchatters, and above the jam history you can see the option called memories. And if I look at data available for download, and if I go all the way to the bottom of the screen again, you can see right there under my lenses and above the cameos option, you have the option called memories again. So basically what happens is that this is where Snapchat stores all of your data, even if you've actually deleted through the Snapchat app. Now what you could do in order to get your memories back is that you will have to simply enter and confirm your email address and then submit a request to Snapchat to actually download your data. Now it may not also actually be available in the Snapchat app, however they will give you a file on which you can hopefully view all of your memories, the videos, the photos, the snaps you've sent, and so on. You can see data available in app. You'll also be able to see the memories option. Data available for download, again you can see the memories option. And once you enter your email address, hopefully whenever the export is actually ready, the Snapchat is actually going to notify you in order to retrieve your data. Now this is basically it on how you can get your memories back on Snapchat. And not only memories, you could go ahead and download any other data as your wish. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.